Leg and thigh workout step by step. Exercise 1. Seated leg movement. Sit down on a mat and stretch both legs straight in front of you. Move your legs forward, then bring them back to the starting position. Continue this movement for 10 repetitions. After finishing, rest for 30 seconds. Exercise 2. Side leg cross. Stand up straight. Move your right leg across toward the left side, then move your left leg across toward the right side. Alternate legs as you continue the movement. Repeat this 10 times, then rest for 30 seconds. Exercise 3. Side bends. Stand with your feet slightly apart. Slowly bend your legs and body toward the left, then toward the right. Repeat this movement 10 times, then rest for 30 seconds. Exercise 4. Jump and touch. Stand upright and raise your hands in front of you. Jump and lift one leg at a time to touch your hands. Repeat this exercise 10 times, then rest for 30 seconds. Exercise 5. Seated spinal twist. Sit down on the mat again. Bend one leg over the other. Turn your upper body toward one side and hold the stretch for 10 seconds. Then switch to the other side and repeat. Exercise 6. Sit-ups with legs raised. Lie on your back and raise your legs up. Place your hands behind your head. Do sit-ups while keeping your legs lifted. Try to hold your legs steady during the movement. Exercise 7. Skipping. For the final exercise, grab a skipping rope. Start skipping continuously. Skipping is a great exercise to strengthen your legs and improve endurance.